everyone, we're continuing our walkthrough now of SpongeBob Squarepants Battle for Bikini Bottom. And in this video today, we're doing, at the moment, the second part of Bikini Bottom, as you guys can see here. So, since we're in the second part of Bikini Bottom, well, you first saw in the last video, I talked to everybody that had new stuff to say. You know, because after the Poseidon battle, I talked to everyone. I talked to Plankton again and Bubble Buddy again because they had new stuff to say. Right? Okay, so now, and then we were granted the Bubble Bowl move in the last video too. So and I forgot to tell you in the first part of Bikini Bottom, the way you do these, where you see to defeat anything that's directly above you, you just press the Y button. And then for the new move that we were granted in the last video, the way you do that move is you just push the B button. It shines. You know, push the B button. Okay, so if you got that stuff, that's great. Okay, so you saw when I was just explaining, I got a yellow shiny object from the difference, and now I'm gonna get another yellow shiny object, and now I'm gonna get these 3 reds, and then get these 2 yellows here. Right there is the second yellow, and now I'm gonna touch this Thunder Cheeky, and then get these 3 reds, and then get these 2 yellows, and then get these 3 greens. See, because the 3 greens up here, and now I'm gonna get 2 more greens because of the greens in the trees, and now I'm gonna get these 3 reds, and then another another yellow, a blue, and another yellow, and then I'm gonna get these 3 reds, and now I'm gonna get this yellow, and then get this green, and then get this yellow, and then get these 3 reds. And then I'm gonna get these 3 reds, and then I'm gonna bowl this button. But then after we get the yellow in the sky, or I mean not the yellow in the sky, the yellow that's right up. After we get the yellow that's right up there, and then the blue up there, and then the blue up here, and get the pair of gold underwear, we're going to go into the police station. Okay, so you saw I got the yellow, and it might be faster to go this way. Oh, and after we get the blue and the pair of gold after we get the blue and the pair of gold underwear, because right here's the blue, and right here's the pair of gold underwear. And now, and then right here's that yellow we missed, so we're gonna get it. Okay, so now, there's gonna be 3 more things we need to do here. One is we have to go into the police station, and also in the police station, right there's the robot viewer, but I'm gonna show you that, later on in the walkthrough. Okay, so now I'm gonna get 3 reds, and get 3 more reds and another red, because there's a value of 7 shiny objects in here. And now we're gonna go back to Bikini Bottom. But we were in the police station, as you guys noticed. Okay, so now when you hit this fountain up here, you get a suck, like that. And now we're going to, oh, there's also this yellow too, so I'm gonna get this one. And now we're going to just open Sandy's tree dome. Well, I mean, open the battle in Sandy's tree dome.
Sandy, you're tree dome is leaking!
They're robots.
And we're just going to get the shiny objects in here, by the way. Because there's this one, these ones, and then it looks like that's it. So now we're going to go like this, and then go to the, back to the top of Shady Shoal's spatula to save time. And now, since we, opened those, I'm going to go into the Shady Shoal's rest home.
Good. Oh, well.
And then, later on, when we do, when we get, the 2 spatulas we need before we get, to the industrial park, then we're going to do the marmalade, which is in here. Like, here. Okay, so you saw I got 3 reds, and 3 more reds.
This is a pit.
And now I'm going to do that to the TV to get the sock. And then right there, you guys saw. And now I'm going to get it. And now I'm going to exit the Shady Shoal's rest home if I got all the shiny objects in here. Which it looks like I did. Now we're going to, yeah, that looks correct. Now we're going to, now, like I said, we're going to get the rest of the spatulas here, if we got enough time. Okay, so now we're going to go to the Cowabungie spatula. And we're going to get it, but we have to hurry on the spatulas, because we're running out of time here for YouTube. And you see I got that spatula. And now we're going to destroy this cannon. And now we're going to come up here to where we introduced the hammer. You know, where the hammer got introduced. Because over here is the bowling ball game. See where we're heading towards? We're heading towards the bowling ball game, as you guys can see here. Oh, okay, so there's a yellow shiny object here, so I'll get it. I never realized that's there. That was there. Okay, so now you see what we're heading towards. This is the game I was talking about earlier in the walkthrough. So I'm going to do it now because we have the bubble bowl ability. And see, if you knock down the pins, you get the sock in the sky. Okay, so now we're going to go to the top of the hill spatula. Oh man. This might be have to broken up into 2 parts. Because of how the time is. Dude.
Oh, yeah. What if I just gave you?
Okay. So, yeah, most likely it's gonna have to be like this. Okay, so I'll get this spatula. And now, we'll go get, we'll do, that spatula. Yeah, this might have to be broken up into 2 parts. Because I was gonna name this one, it's Bikini Bottom Part 2A, because of the time. And I was gonna name the next one Part 2B, because most likely for the spatulas, that's why I was naming it Part 2A. Because for the next place, we need like, 25 spatulas. So, I'm actually going to stop the part here and save our game and stop the part here so that in the next video we can continue.